Okay, for aha Separate TV, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Separate TV or YouTube, PSC TV or YouTube, and PSC KH YouTube, and so our Facebook. Yatana see the Kumasa Asante Kotoko Honsama and Saka, and the Brashano Sandra, and a coach and the dean at the Karim Zito, attend a resignation letter. So at the Kuma IMC for no Soma, a Honsam so Yadeba. Now we had my weekend, the 15 February 2026, a day after the Valentine. Kumasa Asante Kotoko against Accra Hearts of Oak match and so the be and so at the Matanasi Mene Jao Felix as usual and Atanasi Felix at say many about corner way Mehoya Pa Felix Andra and answer Sunday no nay now Baba sports the match and now hunty coach Zito the Juma Bono and one somebody about no one is a players and attitude a players in the foot and I say coach and then I who's a game over.
Okay, we shall for your moment now cover the Famba Separate TV on all social media handles. Mimia, Fena beside me. Sunday, many one and I was posted on my match between Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Mediama.
Indiana Stars.
And Indiana Stars, yeah. Sorry. And in the match, what I realized was that Kotoko players Bobo play according to Coach Zito tactics. But as an almost squander more of chances. We share a starting game now on the 4th minute and a stand by your penalty and Obama keeper no or save ball. And it doesn't end there. They were just posing threats at the visiting side, which is Indiana Stars. Me can say be a coach now because Kotoko strikers also they didn't force. Mom starting
quick update. Kumasa Asante Kotoko coach and the Karim Zito started with Mohamed Kamara and Musa Hamzat Efreche by Mohamed Kamara, Joseph Paul Amwa, Henry Kwame Ansu, Emmanuel Kote, Samba O'Neil, Hibert Jewu, Prince Bedu Isco, started Walid Hussein Neymar, Branch and Dindi Morifin Donzo, Albert Amwa, and almost say game Nasia and Hunsamun so Yede Ebano. Shall I say Emmanuel Kote film, Emma Hamzata, Ebeshen, Dabresanso, and a Walid Husseini. A film set Kojo Ebeshemo and Inusa Ebemu and check no sound supplier ye de a plan a day and so the Kwampoku and so about game Dogo Yakubo and Yabu and the BNTMiambo upon all Kotoko lost by penalties 4-2. Who is a penalties and so as a coach today?
Oh, penalties, this is the modern football they could do. I feel now. Coach Ebejira catch say for ball to see and for to see. See the football na it's evolving. You be bem. Mr. We a player and you be as a coach betcha. You say we coach training grounds. Let's say we pro match at least some few minutes be out there we free up group so we some touches be how to learn penalties. We the goalkeeper so how to save penalties like that. And see media penalties. I want to say you be a game
personal training. So I will train
so we say I have coach be so we say coach and I am a tactical way because penalty you and the ball and quite more you focusing on coaching the tactics and coaching the way and going to execute on the pitch. It is a do penalty say individual and our ball penalty and then the most depend on you.
Okay. Coach Zito Yasakeno and as I was saying what the letter about 70 million Jumani bio. We share screen so the Coach Zito more than more about Kumasa Asante Kotoko yet to see wait me actually fellas Zito more than one I'm say above 37 matches or we need 19 about draw 11 and Olusu 7 and so clean sheet number 19 was 50 goals and considered 31 representing 51.35%. Are you satisfied with that? So coach by signing no yes interim coach and then arises to become the head coach of that particular team and then he is coming up with 51.35% overall percentage. Who want to say?
Oh, maybe 51% maybe it's good, it's a pass mark. But we also know I did account for what baby say I buy the ball teaching and the ball. So back here last season Coach Prosper Ogum was in the same situation like this. No, but even though it wasn't a convincing win, though it be a 1-0 be and a chaff and a back be. And Kotoko supporters they were complaining say on Bimbla. Who shares our winning percentage currency to Equia or say on age money do. It's not like say you're not a soldier, but or see there if you outside air banner, a lot of pressure na air banner, and also counting what the resignation letter and the abanton. Because we shall say matches here, but we share the number of matches and winning percentage. I think it's good because we share even Ghana Black Stars crowd, we share coach Utuado crowd, winning percentage quite it's around 44 point something. It's even below average, but still that's why a coach and Kotoko. Coach Okra winning percentage of 51. I think it's a good thing. But last season, Tamama Pamik Prosper Nato, he was sitting, I think, on the 3rd position. Our do MTN FA Cup semi-final. But still, Kotoko they sacked him. So me say we Kotoko omo appointing new coach. Baby no so also by finding himself in the same situation like this. So Kotoko just have you ever realized a particular problem in Asante Kotoko? Kotoko problems need those baby. Then I'll bet my share with Ashafo or Moshe. Me the me who I bet me can say Kotoko just has to a players no coach no IMC no and answer day. Obi a dey juma ba me the most in the circle of coach we say as an institution obi do when you say as a wish that enya nimpoye bakwa as a way juma na my organization ne bibi we share the circle of coaches Kumasi and Kotoko I don't too much. Okay, I don't too much. Coach Karim Zito, meaning the number of years of signing Mumba, I think about 1 year and with him I achieved a lot. We were the MTN FA Cup last season. I think or the 3rd or 2nd Ghana Premier League. This year we call far away Akwakobuji Toronto Cup. Toronto Cup or South Africa. Washe Kaiser Chiefs achieved. So I think the end of bonus or more bonus or more good football. It was sometimes coaches players na ya to me and to me pull it to the tax coach the amount so I don't pay you one Asampa FM for Eddie Nkomo and I already told me say na your one decision he resigned himself and I think so no or they letter no call IMC for no say nka almost no nka won twentwen so they were trying to convince him now so now the decision has already made when to me arrest and who say some no because I posted on my Facebook page say it shouldn't be true and it will never be true because a coach that supporters are calling for your sacking, why would the IMC come and beg you that you should stay whilst you are not giving them the necessary result they are demanding for? Sisi and ya sacking in common baby but me between me say we saw this coming because when you say the last time we had a Holy Stars match, yeah, but okay, you can share match. The supporters were not convinced about the ball, even though they won, they won. But I said, it was a slim win, and the performance was below average. Yeah, so a free abonting air banner, pressure if you want to air banner, and so I resign answer. And when you say Karim Zito, since I was starting so coachy. On coaching team be my second that they be on a resign. Yeah, maybe I went to a set plan. You say Karim Zito almost $4,000 a month Kumasi and Asante Kotoko. And when say as it Coach Ogum was taking $4,000, so if you also take $4,000, I think it is good because Ghana yet developed in here and $4,000 shouldn't be something that you want to say so what they are saying because the likes of the developing football countries in Africa, Mamelodi Sundowns, Hilal Benghazi and those teams around there, they are paying more than what you are seeing right now. What you are saying? And you know, now only say, individual flop book Masters against Aviana Stars. Individual flop. My nyado crowd boning. Yeah. Maybe the more better in America. Yeah, lot one Walid Hussein Neymar.
Walid Hussein Neymar.
First half one
Wanyeshi. Oh, okay.
One bubble bia obo.
One man homo de Walid is your born I man come for too much. Obama who too much Walid.
Any almost striker number 9 ni dia Asante Kotoko boss no fin those.
But if you don't so Kotoko. Okay.
We go there chicken no some sign.
Boy, you are being too harsh here.
I'm not being too. When you say one of the highest paid players in Kotoko.
Sure. He's a foreigner.
And then the FM
as far as we are foreigner, then you will be paid in dollars.
And yes, as well. Omo Lucas, omo say won ya da o de enfane say hwebo rubeje ebo. Na so to say dunzu say no o GP kase say na wo hwehwe ase me bisi wo team no. No say me me say Kotoko say me
hwehwe. Do you think say there is a division in the team?
Yes, I do a bit by a factor. Because me no ye adwuma. But
you were signed based on your performance. You were signed and you were proposed. You were being posed with a certain amount of money.
Yeah.
You were just signed 4 years for Kotoko.
And honestly, see, no, so form now. Who did wanna born at the bound to nation? Who say only had the SNT. Yes, I walk my.
Say Wabo Walid Hussein Neymar. Wabo Donzo.
Number 11 Johnson.
Man can say number 11, Mr. Kotoko number 11. Johnson upon Rastafarian, yes, Rastafarian Johnson, Uncle Johnson. You say what you buy near for Johnson of I throw you home. Makuno, yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.